Hello, welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Wall Street Journal app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for kids, family, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video. Like I said, I'll show you to download the Wall Street Journal app. We're gonna start by opening up your Apple Store on your phone device. Tap that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Once you arrive on this main screen right here, look up on the search bar. Tap on that. Then you can type and make sure you type where it says like the Wall Street Journal right there. Tap on that. Then you're gonna arrive on this main screen right here. Scroll down until you see on this one right here. Then look on your right. We're gonna select the cloud and the arrow pointing down. Just tap on that. Then you're gonna start downloading. And that's how you download the Wall Street Journal app. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.